In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the Bybit app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the Bybit app, we can now go to the futures trading by going down here to trade. Then we are up here on the futures, and I actually want to show you how you can easily try out everything without having to use your real money by using the demo trading mode. And you can easily get there by going back to home, then under your profile, go to all services here, and then simply search for demo mode. Here it is, demo trading, just click on that. And then we'll be redirected to this demo trading mode right here. If you use the sign up link from the description, you will automatically get $100,000 right here of demo funds that we can now use to completely try out the entire platform without any risk and without having to use our own money. Of course, then once you're ready, you can simply go back up here to start live trading and then trade with your real money. But for demonstration, I can easily show you everything right here. So let's go down here to trade. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. And the first thing I want to show you is the trading layout. So first of all, up here in the top left, you can choose the trading pair. So as you can see, all these coins that we can trade on here. I'm simply going to stick with Bitcoin for now. On the right side, we have this option to switch between our control center that we can see or the price chart. So you can switch over between these two views right here. Then on the right side, we have the order book. And on the left side, we have this control center where we can open and close our trades. We can set our leverage in here, choose the position size, add a take profit and stop loss, and eventually go long or short. Then down below it right here, this is our view where we can see any open positions, open orders, or our history right here. All right, so let's open our first position. Let's go back up again. And now let's first choose the margin mode. I'm going to set that to isolated, which I would definitely recommend to you at the beginning. Then right next to it, we can set our leverage. Let's go to a 5x for now. And then in here, choose market to execute the order immediately. Up here, we can see our available funds in our account right here. And then down below, we can now set the position size. We have different options. If you click on this button right here, we can choose between order by quantity in BTC or by value in USDT. So it's practically the same. One time we are setting the position size in Bitcoin and one time in USDT. I personally prefer it in USDT because then I can now simply say I want to open a $500 position. And then as you can see down here under cost, we can see how much of our own money we need to use for that. In this case, it's $100 because the roundabout $100 times the 5x leverage will then equal the $500 position size. Down below it, we can also add a take profit and stop loss if you want to do that. So simply click this check mark and then we can either type in the price right here directly or click on this button right here. Then go to advanced, click on this plus, and now we have even more options. So I can just go long, and then I want to use it for the entire position. And now I can simply say, okay, how much profit do I want to make? Let's say I want to make 30% of profit right here. That also equals around about $30 on my own capital of $100 that we put into this trade at a price of $72,000. Same goes for my stop loss. Let's say a maximum loss of 5% means also $5 at $67,500. Okay, let's confirm that right here. We have that all set up in here. Now let's click on long trading, confirm it. And now we are in our position. If we scroll down a bit, we can also directly see it in here. If we scroll down a bit and go to positions, we can also see everything right here. You can see that's a Bitcoin trade, a long trade with a 5x leverage. Here on the right side, we can see our currently open profit in dollars and as a percentage. Down here, we can see our position size in Bitcoin, or if we click on that in USDT, so around about the $500. It's a little less because it needs to be rounded to an even BTC number. As you can see, it's actually 0.007 Bitcoin. So that equals to a little less than $500 because it needs to be rounded to an even BTC value, 3 digits after the decimal point. That's why it can be sometimes rounded a bit, but that's effectively our position size right here. This is our entry price, our mark price, and our liquidation price. Liquidation price would mean if we don't have a stop loss, which we can already see down here that we've placed it already. But let's say we don't have a stop loss and the position would go this much into a loss that we cannot cover any more losses with our own capital, then this trade would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin which is our own capital in this trade, which is not this right here because this is the entire position size. Our margin, we can see that if we just click on this again, so we get this more detailed view. Again, you can see here your position size, and we can see down here our margin, which is our own capital inside of this trade. These run about $100 right here, and that's the money that we could lose if our liquidation price would be reached and we don't have a stop loss, which we currently do. So at any time, you can just go back in here, click on our take profit and stop loss right here and edit any of these values. You can just change up any of these numbers, click on confirm, and then you can change it up at any time. And next up, I want to show you how you can also increase and decrease your position size in here. So first thing, if you want to increase it, simply go in here and do as if you would open a new trade. So let's go in here. Let's add another $200 to this trade. Let's get rid of that right here. Click on long, confirm, and then you will see we've now increased our position size to around about $600. Same goes if you want to close parts of your trade and reduce your position size. Simply go down here to close by, choose how much percent in here or type in the amount in Bitcoin. Let's say I want to close 50% of it. Click on confirm. You can also see that we're taking some partial profits of this trade. And then you'll see we've now decreased our position size down to $340. Lastly, you can of course also at any time edit your leverage. As you can see, we have this 5x leverage that we've set up at the beginning in here. You can also change that later on by just clicking on this right here and then either increase or decrease your leverage to your liking. You can also of course do that at any time. By the way, if you're wondering what these buttons do, you can actually also change how your trade looks. So if you click on detailed, for example, in here, and we go back, we have directly this more detailed view where you can also directly see your margin. So most people prefer this view actually, so you can easily switch that up in here as well. All right, finally, I also want to show you how you can close your entire trade. Simply go down here, click on close by, choose 100%. So you're also taking all of your profits out again, confirm, and then we are also out of this trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.